Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss on Python operators precedence and Python operators associativity. Operators precedence deals with the priority of evaluation of operators while executing an expression. This is the priority table of operators. As you can see, in Python, parenthesis has highest priority. Next comes the exponent and then the unary operators. After that, we have multiplication, division, floor division, and modulo, which are on the same level of priority. Okay. Next, we have addition, subtraction, shift operators, bitwise and XOR and OR operators, and then the comparison operators. After that, we have logical NOT and OR operators. So, while executing an expression, the expression evaluation starts with the operator parenthesis if it is there, or else the exponent operator, or with the unary operator likewise. You can also observe that some operators have the same precedence level, that is the priority for plus x, minus x and negation of x is at the same level. In this case, we go with the operators associativity. That means either we have to go with left to right associativity or right to left associativity. So left to right associativity means whichever comes on the left side first, that operator will be evaluated. Right to left means from right we go on evaluating towards the left. Okay, so we'll see these examples as well. But one point to remember is most of the operators are having associativity from left to right, whereas exponent operator is having the associativity between right to left. We'll examine this with the help of code. Okay, so now let us evaluate some of the expressions. Let us evaluate the first expression. This is our first expression. So from the above table, it can be clearly observed that star, modulo and divide, they have the same precedence level here, but left to right we have to take. Now associativity we have to take from left to right. Okay, so in that first we get star, then we get modulo, then we have the division. Okay, here you can observe star, divide and percentage. This is not the order of precedence. Here order is whichever comes first in the left side. This is first, this is second, this is third, since they are on the same precedence level. Okay, after they have been evaluated, 3 will be added with the result. Plus is having a lowest priority as compared to these 3 operators. That's why what we can rewrite is, we can rewrite this expression as 4 into 22. This is the first thing going to happen. Then 4 into 22 is 88. 88 percentage or modulo 5. The result of this will be divided by 6. Now the result of our expression will be added with plus 3. I hope that's clear. Now let us print this. You can see the result is 3.5. If you individually evaluate also, the answer will be 3.5. If you have got different result, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, now let us go through the second problem. When it comes to the second problem, these are the operators we have: star, plus, divide, then we have parenthesis, star and modulo. Whereas one thing to observe is star, divide, star and modulo, they are having the same precedence level. So we have to evaluate from left to right. Whereas parenthesis is having highest priority. First the evaluation takes from this one, 4 into 5, that is 20. Okay, you can see here, first is parenthesis, second is star because left to right operation. After that, 5 divided by 4 into 5, that is 5 divided by 20. Then percentage 3. After these things are evaluated, along with this is evaluated, then addition takes place between the result. So the same steps I have shown here. So this is the first evaluation inside the parenthesis, then multiplication of this. Now, sorry, now 5 by 20, which is 0.25. 0.25 percentage 3 is also 0.25. So after adding this, you will get the result, which is equal to 56.25. Okay. Now let us look at the third example. When it comes to the third problem, we have 4 operators, and you can see that flow division is having highest precedence, whereas plus is next priority, then the left shift, then the XOR. Okay, so that's why first evaluation will be 48, flow division 24. Okay, the result is 2, which will be added with 3. 3 plus 2. Okay, which is 5, right? So next step, 2 right shifted by 5 bits. So meaning of this one is, in 8-bit representation of 2, we can have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 5 bits towards left means this one will become here first shift, second shift, third shift, fourth shift, fifth shift. So the result will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. The value of this binary bit is 3264. So the result what we get is 64. Now this 64 is XORed with 4. It is not to the power, it is XOR. So XORing is here. So when we XOR, we'll get 1, 0, 1 XOR 0 is 1 and 0 XOR 1 is 1. Only these 2 bits will be valid. So which is 64 plus 4. Okay, so the result will be 68. So these values are evaluated, sorry for that. So result will be 68. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Coming to the next problem, we have 3 exponent 3 exponent 2. Until here, we have seen that if multiple operators with same precedence level are there, we have evaluated from left to right, like star, then division, then percentage. So these are having same precedence level. That's why we have used the left to right associativity. Whereas in exponent, there is a problem with this kind of evaluation, because when you want to evaluate, say this one, it is 3 to the power 2. Unless you get this value, you cannot raise the result to this one. So that's why the evaluation will be like 3 to the power 2, the resultant will be 9. 3 to the power 9 will be the final answer. So it will be evaluated like 3 to the power 2. Okay, the result is 9. Now 3 to the power 9. Okay, so this result what we are going to get. So let us evaluate, and you can see it is 19683. Let me now directly check whether our answer is correct. So it can be observed that 3 to the power 9 is 196 0.83. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any doubts regarding any of the topics discussed till date, you can ask in the comment section. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thank you.